What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel, and today we have one of the dirtiest cars I've ever cleaned, both exterior and interior. We're not even worrying about the outside. We'll do a convenience wash for the customer, but the interior on this thing is smoked. I got some B-roll that you guys are gonna see, and if you could smell this thing, I already had the ozone machine in here just because I couldn't even get in this thing. It smelled that bad, and I got a pretty strong stomach. This thing was gross. But it's gonna make for a really good time lapse. Everything about this thing is gonna be super gratifying. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing dialed in as best as we can. It got 185,000. So, but just a quick little peek. You guys are gonna see some B-roll. But when you still got the half-eaten PB&J ready to rip. And we're gonna do this the right way. We're just gonna pull the seats. We're not even gonna play any games. But I want to show you guys a little something. Guys, if you could only smell this car, it is disgusting. We got the ozone machine in it before we're even gonna open up the door because it's that bad. Alright guys, I'm dying right now. It's like 80 degrees, 100% humidity. I'm drenched in sweat, but gotta keep going. Got the seats pulled out. Now we can't pull the back seats. They got a flip down mechanism. I don't feel like taking the whole rear compartment out, so we're gonna leave those in. Just gives us access underneath, but got a clean slate to work with. Not really clean, but we're gonna make this a hell of a lot better. And we're gonna go down to the pre-soak and then extraction phases, and got our front seats out there. Gonna power wash those, so stay tuned. This thing's gonna be one hell of a transformation. After 3 hours of extracting in 80-degree weather, 100-degree humidity, now into the drying process. So I kind of left these wet. So I already hit the rear seats and the entire passenger floor with this setup. So I'm running the vacuum off the extractor through the tornador. And basically this is going to create a little vortex, and the suction is going to lift up all the residual water out of here. This is just going to expedite the drying process. I like to ensure that the customer's vehicles are very well dried, and if they're not very well dried, you can run the mold issues, the mildew smell. This thing already has an awful smell, but I'm pretty sure I located it and neutralized it. But as you can see, the carpets already look a bajillion times better. But I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and show you how I dry them. It takes like an extra hour, but it's well worth it. I won't be chasing water on this tomorrow. I do these overnight. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm just going to put you guys on time lapse. The moment everyone's been waiting for. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on this RAV4. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I didn't, because let's just say it wasn't fun. 4.5 hours of extracting, 2 hours of miscellaneous, hour for the wash. We blew a lot of time on this thing, but the results speak for themselves. If you guys want to keep seeing these dirty interiors, just let us know. Drop a comment below. Anything, how-tos, anything you guys want to see, drop a comment. Just trying to make some videos for you guys. As always, remember, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We're going to keep trying to pump out at least one video a week. And hope you guys enjoyed. And stay tuned for the next one. Later.